Today's dump day. Oh boy, it's raining. That'll be fun.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
We have a full rainbow. Oh, it's disappearing very quickly. Just a second ago when I tried to get the camera. Full rainbow. It's gone at the top now. So we have had a shit ton of a bleep, bleep, bleep. A lot of rain. Don't ask me how much a ton is.
It's over 6 inches in 36 hours.
Yeah, well.
And we discovered something.
We have some leaks.
We just have three. We have 3 leaks.
We have 3 leaks.
That we found.
And
one is in the bedroom window, one is in the bathroom window. She came in through the bathroom window. Oh no, I'm coming in through the bedroom window.
He is.
He came in through the bedroom window.
Okay, so we have this awesome awning cap is the front of our RV, and you can open it all the way. However, it makes for a very high window, and we couldn't put our ladder up against the window, so we opened the window and took the screen out.
Hey, whatever works.
Oh gosh. Yeah.
Yeah, we've got water leaks and we're laughing. What's that tell you? It's all part of the adventure.
You know, and Tom goes around and checks everything, checks all the seals on stuff. And sometimes the rain and the wind are just too much and they get into the tiniest little spot. So we have 2 leaks around the window, and the other one is really baffling us because it's coming out of the antenna booster.
The TV antenna up on the roof. I've checked it. I don't see any cracks in the die-cord that's there, but I'm going to go peel that crap up and put down fresh die-cord. I mean, I don't know what else to do.
Yeah, we got to do something. So.
Well, water is not your friend in an RV. I learned that from Leisure Coachworks.
Oh gosh, yeah. In 2017, we had some major repairs due to water damage from before we got the rig. And so we were working on this issue today, this learning experience. Doing it the safe way, Where are you going to fit your big fat head?
Hush.
All right. Good luck with that.
Yeah, thanks.
Hey, at least you can reach it. You're going to be able to reach the other side of the window, though?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll worry about that then, huh?
One hole at a time.
Okay, love you too. This is the other spot where water was coming through, was right here. And we undid the screws and pulled it down, and not a lot of water came out. So we are really perplexed about this little thing, where the water is. I had to sleep with a bowl next to me with a towel in it. It didn't leak hardly at all, though, the rest of the night. Hardly at all is what? Is not good?
Hardly at all is not good. It either leaked or it didn't leak.
Yeah, our question is, okay, where did it go to if it stopped coming out that hole? Because it rained all night long. I hardly slept at all. It was terrible.
Hopping like a monkey. That's not going to work. That's not going to work.
Uh-oh. Limited space.
I need to be left-handed right now.
Uh-oh. Do we need to open the cap bigger?
No, I'm going to make it work.
Okay. Good luck.
Thanks. Oh. One of the other areas we had a leak was our bathroom window. And I have sealed this before, but I haven't checked it in a long time because the awning's right there. And I didn't think there was any cracks along the top, but evidently there was, because the water came in on the inside and was just dripping. And I thought, okay, what's going on? So we've resealed this window. all the way. And it's really nice and good. Got a nice thick bead that we've smoothed out. It's a good thing it's not a beauty contest, but it works. No judging. No judging. The seals, it ain't pretty. But like I said, it's not a beauty contest. All the way around the window. All the way around. Did the top. Got it all sealed up. And I'm also working on this corner right here. I'm peeling it up. I'm thinking about peeling it up all the way and resealing the whole thing, but I'm going to reseal it from here down to where the runner is along here on the bottom. And I put some, I don't know what it's called. It's like wood putty inside. I'm going to trim that all up tomorrow, and I'm going to reseal here. I stripped all the old sealant out and get it all resealed and make it all look not pretty. Because that's my specialty. Not pretty. But it doesn't leak anymore. Speaking of leaks, even though this has nothing to do with the leaks from the rain, the tire that we've had trouble with, because we mentioned it on a couple of our Saturday coffee chats, this is the tire that I've taken in to Tires Plus twice, because they were the original installers of the new tires on the old rim. The rims are 17 years old, because the trailer is a 17-year-old Alpha fifth wheel. They have dunked this thing, they have sprayed it, they've done everything 2 times. So today, we took it off and I put the spare on, because I still think, after talking to our brother-in-law Kevin, that it is the rim that's leaking, because the tire is in great shape. Don't see anything wrong with it. So before we threw it in the back of the truck, I said, let's just go ahead and spray it. So we sprayed some Windex, started right here, and right there is where it started bubbling up. So I put a big V in it. But it is definitely the rim. Okay, so here is where she's a-leaking. Look at the bubbles. Right there. Just a bubbling up. So we found us a new wheel. Had to go all the way to Delaware from where we are in Nevada to find a wheel that fits that. But hey, it'll be here in 5 to 10 days. I guess they're shipping it horse and buggy, but at least it's on its way. And when it gets here and we get it installed, we're going to be on our way south. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new to the channel, click subscribe and ring the bell. Get notified every time we put up a brand new video, which is every Saturday morning with our Saturday coffee chats and our What Up Wednesday videos. Appreciate each and every one of you. See ya.